Hello friends, another day, another unboxing. This unboxing, however, is pretty special for a couple reasons. One, this is a pop I've been looking for a very long time, and I happened to find it for a really good deal. Now here comes that second part about that really good deal. There's a saying with pop collectors that if it's too good to be true, it probably is. So with this pop, we're actually going to be also verifying it to see if it's real or not, or if it is a fake. And to this pop is very faked everywhere. However, this one is more common as it is a very popular pop. Okay, so far it's looking pretty good. Alright, for this episode we have Hollow Ichigo. Okay, so right off the bat, you can notice that your gradient isn't very detailed as it would be in a normal pop, as well as a lot of the pops the little dots right there are very vague and hardly able to see. Not to mention, the rounded thing here is very bold and not as thin as the real deal. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can also notice Ichigo's name on the back is bolded. Not to mention the color differences between the real deal and the fake. Not to mention it also says it's made in Vietnam. The Facebook logo and Twitter logo look pretty ideal, but the coloring is what you want to look for. So this also does not have a year on it that should be indicated. So yes, this is 100% a fake.